Hey guys, RB here, and good afternoon to you. So PPI came in really hot today. It was at 0.9%, while the forecast was only about 0.2%. I haven't seen that much higher number in last many months, and suddenly that kind of created a early morning dip. But did that change anything that we talked about in the last video or in the last post? No. 6430 was the level on US 500 and 577 on the QQQ. Both held the dip or the sell off when it happened in the morning and then bounced back quickly towards the previous highs, right? Did it break out from the previous highs? No, the price can kind of chopping through the day. And closed in between. Now, looking at this, is it something that I want to go bearish? Not immediately, but as you know, on a larger time frame, what we're working on is a fifth wave, right? So a failure can happen and will happen at any point of time. But let's talk through how much higher we can really see, right? So coming from this move, which started in May, we have been talking about this one, two, three, four, and being at a fifth wave, right? So if I go into a smaller time frame and try to understand what it's doing, it's probably still a third wave going right here, where we have this, either the second was completed here or completed here, right? There are a few ways to look into it, but let's just say that one more move up, if this was my internal one, two, this is one, two, three, four, five, so I might get one pop up which may pop up above this range, which might get sold again, dip back into 6430, and one more move, and that will complete my three if the three doesn't complete here, right? Now these are very very minor bounces from the same range, so it could be very noisy on a small time interval. Next few weeks could be very choppy, at least a couple of weeks here in August, and because it'll dip again for this wave four, maybe make another wave higher into 65, mid 6500 or something like that, like 60, 6550, 6560. But this does not seem like it can go much higher and higher. Earlier I was thinking that we probably will touch 6600, which still it can, but 65, 60-ish looks more appropriate number. Now that's the last wave that we are talking about, but this is last wave only just in the internal structure of a wave 3, right? It's not completion of a larger scale wave 5, so it's just gonna create another drop or consolidation, to say the least, for the next couple of months, which pretty much we know that September, October, they're pretty slow months, including August, which so far has been turning out to be good. But again, I mean, if we are gonna get into this job and then drop, then August, September, October generally, are slow months, and that's pretty much it's gonna be, right. Now look at the larger wave count here, and what you are seeing right now is just an internal wave, right? So I'm talking about just this one right now. One, two, three, four, five. This is just a subsection. Now, when you look into the overall or the larger scale, you're talking about this being a wave one, two, and this one, two, three, five, three, four, five is only a third wave, which means the next drop which is coming is a sub fourth, right? Not even a main fourth, a sub fourth. Post that, there will be another one which will make this three complete. Not this three, yeah, this three complete, right? So we have one, two, three, four, five. Yeah. So three will complete there, and then another fourth consolidation or a larger four consolidation again into similar levels, depending upon how high it goes. We'll see if it corrects to only 6400 or 6300 or 6200, something like that. We'll see about that when it happens or when it starts, right? But we will have rally through the end of the year once we complete this chop move for the next 2 weeks, and probably then spend probably most of September to come down back into the 6200 area, right? So once that is done, here is a good opportunity to buy again at 6200. because the rally will be somewhere into higher into 6,800, 6,900, maybe 7,000 by the end of the year, right? So if the rally is too strong, so that is an expected move, guys, for now in the longer term. And as explained, shorter term can be a little tricky, can be a little choppy, but as long as 6430 is holding, you are still moving in this current wave up, right? As soon as the 6430 will break, then our next buying opportunity will be somewhere around in the 6200 area, right? So that kind of sums up my update, guys. Hope this helps. And like always, if you like the content, please do subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.